Good morning, dear students. Chapter 7 completed, and I will tell MCQ, multiple choice questions. First one is the MCQ. MCQ. First one, which of the following has a taproot? Answer is P. Second, which of the following possesses fibrous root? Wheat. Third one, which of the following is a creeper? Mint. Fourth one, veins are present in leaves. Fifth, pollen grains are produced in anthers. And now second one, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, a plant showing taproot is reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. Second one, an example of a plant with fibrous root is wheat. Third one, leaves are green as they contain chlorophyll. Fourth one, in the shoot system, leaves arise from note on the stem. Fifth, plants synthesize food by the process of photosynthesis. Sixth, leaves are green in color. Seventh, teeny pores present on the leaf surface are called stomata. Eighth, the four holes of a flower are sepals, petals, stamen, pistil. Pollen grains are produced in anther. 10th one, stamen is the male reproductive organ of a flower. Stamen is the male reproductive part of a flower. Now, third one, match the following. Match the following. First one, taproot mango. Fibrous root maize. Weak stem grapevine. Stomata leaf. Stamen flower. Now come to the true false. Now question number 4, true false. First one, First one is the sugarcane plant has fibrous root. True. Ovary is a part of stamen. False. Most flowers have colorful sepals. True. Internode is the leafless portion of stem. True. Shoot system consists of stem and branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. True. Sixth one. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. True. The wheat plant has fibrous root system. True. Eighth one. Leaves do not require sunlight to manufacture their food. False. Plants can carry out photosynthesis without carbon dioxide. False. The place where leaves are attached on the stem is called a node. True. So this is the MCQ. First again you can see which of the following has a taproot pea, which of the following possesses fibrous root wheat, which of the following is a creeper mint, veins are present in leaves, pollen grains are produced in anthers. Fill in the blanks. First one, a plant showing taproot is a reticulate venation. An example of a plant with fibrous root is wheat. And then third one, leaves are green as they contain chlorophyll. In the shoot system, leaves arise from node on the stem. Plants synthesize food by the process of photosynthesis. Leaves are green in color. Tiny pores present on the leaf surface are called stomata. 4 holes of a flower are sepals, petals, stem and pistil. Pollen grains are produced in anther. Stamen is the male reproductive organ of a flower. Match the following: taproot, mango; fibrous root, maize; grapevine, weak stem, grapevine; stomata, leaf; stem and flower. True, false. The sugarcane plant has fibrous root. The sugarcane plant has fibrous roots. True. Second, ovary is a part of stamen. False. Third, most flowers have colorful sepals. True. Internode is a leafless portion of stem. True. Shoot consists of stem and its branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. True. Sixth, roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. True. Seventh, the wheat plant has fibrous root system. True. Eighth, leaves do not require sunlight to manufacture their food. False. Plants can carry out photosynthesis without carbon dioxide. False. The place where leaves are attached on the stem is called a node. True. So this is all about chapter 7, getting to know plants, and multiple choice question. Fill in the blanks, match the following, true, false. You have to write in copy, and when you have to write in copy, it should be neat and clean. It should be neat and clean, and you have to write in proper way. First you will write multiple choice question, then you will write fill in the blanks, then you will write match the following, then you will write true, false. Till here you have to complete and write in your GSC copy.